How to delete TikTok messages from both the sides. If any day you are a TikTok user and you mistakenly send a very different message or you send a wrong message to any of your friend on your TikTok and you would like to delete it from both the sides, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the TikTok application on your mobile device. For that, you can find the TikTok application by going to the search icon on your mobile device or manually finding it by scrolling left or right. After you find the very TikTok application, you have to tap on that. And after you tap on that, TikTok will be launched on your mobile device. After TikTok is launched on your mobile device, you have to go to the option of inbox on your very TikTok. After you tap on the option of inbox on your very TikTok, now you can see the options like this. Now here you have to tap on any of the option of any of your friend and then go there of the chat box on your very TikTok. And after you tap on that, now you can see the options like this. Now if any day you have sent a wrong message on your TikTok like this, now what you can do is you can tap on the message like this and then you can go to the option of delete and then go to the option for delete for everyone, and this way your message will be deleted from both the sides. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.